Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe Muller fast food review. Today we are headed to Chick-fil-A and I am excited to try out their re-released for the Lent season, their fried fish sandwich. Up next, stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here and we are parked. I've got my bag and I got the Deluxe Fish Sandwich from Chick-fil-A, which ran me a total of $4.89, guys, before tax. All right, I got my pickles on the side, guys, because I know Julie likes them. So, all right. And here it is, guys. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that looks really pretty, guys. All right, let me take you guys in for the much deserved and detailed fishy close-up. All righty, and here it is in all of its deluxe glory. The Deluxe Fish Sandwich from Chick-fil-A, guys. All right, let's see what we got here. Got a piece of cheese. I got my tartar sauce underneath. And I got 2 fish fillets. Underneath that, I got some really fresh looking tomato and a really healthy looking piece of lettuce, guys. Look at that. That does look good. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot and tell you exactly what I think. Okay guys, it is time for the moment of truth. The first bite, wish me luck. What do we say? Salute. The fish is nice and light, very flaky. Look at that. I like the fact that the tomato is very fresh. It is nice and cold. It is really a great pairing with the fried fish. And the tartar sauce, really good. The one thing that I like about this is that the flakiness, the fact that the breading is not too hard and crisp, it tastes like a really fresh fish sandwich. I do like the lettuce, but not that much. I actually prefer the shredded lettuce on my sandwiches, believe it or not. You cannot go wrong with this one, guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving it a rock solid 8. You guys got the green light? Go out and try it. Just released for the Lent season. Perfect timing. If this is your first time here and you enjoy fast food reviews and cooking videos, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I promise you, you will never miss a thing. All right, guys, that was my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. God bless. So long.